In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to takeoffs in CostMiner. If you've been looking to add some personal annotations or crucial insights to your construction project estimates, this guide will walk you through the process in a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, you want to head over to the CostMiner website. It's the go-to platform for all your construction estimating and takeoff needs. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open up your preferred web browser. Now enter the URL for the CostMiner login page, or simply search for CostMiner if you prefer using a search engine. Once the page loads up, you'll see a login option. It'll be hard to miss as it's prominently displayed on the main page. Next, click on the Login button. You know the drill. Go ahead and enter your credentials. Hopefully you've got those saved somewhere secure so you don't have to go fishing around for them each time. After you've successfully logged in, you should see your dashboard or homepage depending on your last session. Now look for the specific project you're working on or wish to add notes to. Your projects will typically be listed on the main menu or dashboard depending on your settings. Click on the project to open it. You're making good progress now, and soon you'll be able to add those vital notes that will make your future work much smoother. Once your project page is loaded, your next step is to find the Coals section. This is where you'll access different components of your project. It might take a glance or two to get used to where everything is, but fret not. Just take your time and click on Coals once you spot it. This action will reveal a menu or a drop-down list with several options. In this menu, look for the Note option. Click on it to highlight the feature that allows you to insert whatever comments or details you find necessary. Notes can be instrumental when you need to make observations that might not fit elsewhere. This feature is particularly useful for tracking changes, adding reminders, or simply annotating particular line items with additional data. Once you've gathered your thoughts or jotted down the specifics you want to remember, it's time to exit. Find the Exit or Close button, which should be somewhere obvious like the top corner of the window or panel. You're now ready to add notes to each item within your chosen project. Whether you're detailing requirements, noting potential issues, or simply leaving a message for another team member, you're all set. Your annotations are not just scribbles, they're tools for enhancing efficiency. Congratulations on making it this far. You've just added another skill to your construction project management toolkit. Keep practicing and these steps will become second nature. Enjoy a more organized and efficient way of handling your projects with CostMiner.